everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures on your speaker DitooPro. So right here, to play and pause a song, just pull it short and I'm just play a song, and again I pull a song. Now to play a next track, just use this button, so just press on it, and as you can see I play a next track. To play a previous track, just use the left arrow, just press on it, and as you can see it also works. Now to increase the volume, use just plus button right here, just press on it and it will increase the volume. To lower it, just use this minus button. Also we have a button to swap between these modes right here, so just click on it and you will swap. You can enable visualizer and have some picture what will change. And also we have this M button, so you can enter or exit system menu. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.